Oppo F9 Pro launched. Full specs, key features, India price. So let's check out display. The Oppo F9 Pro brings a dull 6.3-inch FHD Plus, 2340 by 1080 display with a 19.5:9 aspect ratio and a 90.8% screen-to-body ratio. Processor, powering the device is an octa-core MediaTek Helio P60 chipset with a RAM Mali G72 GPU. RAM. The Pro model will be offered with 6 GB of RAM while the standard F9 will come with 4 GB of RAM. Storage. Both the variants will come with 64 GB of internal storage. Rear camera. The F9 Pro comes with dual cameras on the back that includes a 16-megapixel primary sensor with f/1.8 aperture and a 2-megapixel secondary sensor with f/2.4 aperture and LED flash support. The cameras support portrait mode and eye scene recognition. Front camera. The notch on the front houses a 25-megapixel selfie sensor with f/2.0 aperture and sensor HDR support. Battery. The Oppo F9 Pro houses a 3,500 mAh battery with VOOC flash charge support that will offer 2 hours of talk time and just 5 minutes of charge. Software. The Oppo F9 Pro runs Android 8.1 Oreo based on ColorOS 5.2. Connectivity. The device supports dual nano SIM cards, GPS, Bluetooth 4.2, Wi-Fi 802.11a/b/g/n/AC and OTG among others. Oppo F9 Pro key features. Arguably the biggest highlight of the Oppo F9 Pro is its stunning edge-to-edge display. Oppo has significantly done away with the bezels, keeping only a tiny notch on the top and a narrow chin on the bottom, allowing for a 90.8% screen-to-body ratio. The notch is pretty unique as well and unlike what we have come to see on most Android phones this year. The notch is similar to the Essential phone but doesn't look as intrusive. Completing the look of the device is a gradient back design that comes in 3 colors: Sunrise Red, Twilight Blue and Starry Purple. The gradient color design will show a change in the colors on the back depending on how light reflects on it. It also comes in a petal-shaped pattern adding to the overall appeal. Oppo is once again bringing VOOC fast charging support to the Oppo F-series. The technology makes it possible for the device to offer 2 hours of talk time with just 5 minutes of charge. Oppo further says you can get over 60% charge in 1 hour. The company is once again living up to its tagline as the selfie expert by offering a 25MP front-facing camera. The camera also gets sensor HDR which was seen on the Oppo F7. With some eye help, you'll be able more accurate and detailed selfies in bright and low light conditions. Oppo is also touting a performance-heavy device with a Helio P60 chipset and 6 GB of RAM. The chipset has been seen powering the Realm 1 and Oppo F7 in the past and both have been impressive in terms of performance. The company also claims efficient multitasking with ColorOS 5.2 based on Android 8.1 Oreo. Oppo F9 Pro India price and availability. The Oppo F9 Pro has been priced at Rs 23,990, while the regular F9 will fall just under Rs 20,000. Both the devices are exclusive to Flipkart and Oppo India website. They will go up for pre-orders on August 21st while sales will begin on August 31st.